If you're unsure about the quality of the eggplant you have, there are several key indicators to check. A fresh eggplant should have a shiny, smooth skin. If it appears dull or wrinkly, it's likely past its prime. Look for a vibrant green stem and a firm texture. Any mushiness or brown spots indicate spoilage. When cut open, the flesh should be white and not slimy. If it has a rotten smell or mold, it's best to discard it. Fresh eggplants last about 2 to 3 days at room temperature or up to 5 days in the refrigerator, but they can be frozen for 8 to 12 months. To prevent browning after cutting, drizzle lemon juice on the slices. For storage, avoid placing eggplants near ethylene-producing fruits and never seal them in plastic bags, as this accelerates spoilage unless frozen. If you are freezing your eggplants, be sure to blanch sliced eggplant in a lemon juice water mixture for 4 minutes before storing in freezer-safe bags.